exercise straight out of the kettle.
At least you still got one of yours.
Well, let it go, will it?
Let's see the actual damage. Oh wow, okay, fair enough. Look at that.
Fine. You
Dude,
just had a dribble out.
Dude, I literally spilled loads and look how much I've got.
No, no.
Got more in yours than me.
Yeah, I fucking dropped mine.
What are you doing?
I definitely need a haircut.
I'm telling you that for months.
Yeah, I know. But I was going to get it cut here, but they're shut till open again Tuesday, so it's good. I don't know when I can next get one.
Do you want to dunk that in, Tommy?
Yeah, alright.
It's good.
Can't have ketchup.
But it's like a proper breakfast.
It'll linger in my throat.
You can't be putting all your time into this with these two pricks, so just give up now. Give up now, Martin. You know what? Fuck this.
So, can we have your coffee? Right, we've just got to the studio for day 3.
Day 3, 10 a.m.
10 a.m. We've literally just got the Get Me vocals to do, and then after that it's mixes, harmonies, that sort of thing. We've just got here, Barrington and Tom have just popped out to drop some gear off at a venue around the corner, because Barrington...
He's got his first ever gig today.
His first ever gig. Just disclaimer, it's not his first fucking gig, but it's set up like it would be your first gig. Like, he's literally like on at like 5. There's like...
On before acoustic artists, even though he's in a sort of, what I'm assuming is a rock band.
Yeah, I've got a feeling he might have said it was like Britpoppy sort of stuff. Unless that was a different band. But oh yeah, 'cause to be
even
fair,
so,
yeah.
it's a full proper band, and then there's like an acoustic singer-songwriters on afterwards. which like it's this in those artists, but having a rock band on before those is a weird atmosphere.
It's always a weird setup. It's
Yeah.
not generally about getting the acts to get better as the night goes on, but if you have a softer act on after a heavier one, it always is a weird...
It's a weird vibe.
Yeah, it needs to build as the night goes on, whether one band's a bit better than the other or not. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, if you've got a metal band on, then you followed by like some indie rock thing, it's just like... It feels like nothing's happening because you've just been used to this fucking wall of sound. But yeah, so don't worry, we'll get all that on camera.
Yeah, we're gonna go along later and give him some support so he doesn't get too nervous.
Yeah, make some like signs and shit. Throw like flowers at him.
I'll throw my pants at him.
Yeah, his pants. Skiddy ones.
I'll throw my bra.
Oh yeah, do it.
Do it.
Get fucking AAA bra, mate.
AAA battery size.
Doug is with us.
Yeah, Doug's here.
We are responsible for Doug's actions this morning. Doug! Yes, mate.
He's a right little character. Really.
He's awesome.
He's cool.
I feel like I've known him all my life.
I feel like he's almost my dog.
Yeah, I know what you mean. His face just says, do you guys ever shut the fuck up?
Yeah, he's so sick and tired of our shit.
Go on, don't like your music, don't like your personality. So awkward to zoom when I'm holding the camera like that.
Can you read that? That's like Elan. I don't know if this is going to look backwards
No, it won't.
on the thing.
No, it won't.
If it's not, then it will look like nail. But it's Elan or Elan, natural mineral water. From that shit chippy that I've been slagging off. But this water's actually really nice.
Got to drink doggy bit.
Fuck.
What were you even trying to do?
like a long range bottle full.
Oh,
Boys.
oh, that's neat. It'd have been more effective, if I'm honest, if you hadn't launched it across the room and twatted the wall before.
It's true.
Oh, yeah.
Bang! Bang! Look, honestly, you'll see it. Wait, I think Martin posted it on our page. Bang! He does not want to do it with me at all. Literally, Tom the other day went like this, bang, and he just falls straight over on his back. Doug, why you sell me out like that on camera, man? I thought we were bros, bro. Thought we were bros, bro. Wait.
He's like, you thought wrong.
He's like, I'm the fucking owner here.
I'll play that again, I missed that.
So, do you see what I mean now? He does actually play dead. I'm not an idiot.
He just
Even
doesn't
though I
like
fucking
you.
look like one. Bang! No? Okay. Whatever, mate. Fucking bang! Please!
Die.
Fucking roll over. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Doug, lie down. Bang. Bang. Bang.
Fucking bang!
Bang, 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 bang. Please. Do something cool.
Bang already.
Bang me. Bang. Go again to love again. Come, will come. Get me, make me, take me, break me. Get me, make me, take me, break me.
Whew, time for a breather.
Even airdropped it on to it.
I love how you just knew it was that.
I don't know how to count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Happy?
Fucking over the moon, mate. Cheers, guys. There's our boy.
Press on 3 to the others as well.
We're at Barrington's gig now. I don't know what time he's on. Is he half 4? Yeah, half 12. Yeah. Decide what to have.
It's killing me because I'm starving, but I just don't know what to have. Can someone help me?
Well, you still haven't ordered, have you?
This is just... No.
That'd have been just your luck. How's she getting back into it?
Yeah.
But here, come on, mate.
I'll absolutely smash the fucking living shit out of these.
Go on then.
You watch me fucking.
Oh, wait, hang on. Let's watch Will smash the living shit out of these things. Wait a sec. There we go. That's what happens when you're on camera, mate. Please stop filming me.
Turn it off. Please. Fucking show some mercy, bro. Can I start again?
I don't even think I'm gonna rack him up. I think you're gonna have to do it after that.
Right, tell the camera, right? How good have my previous smashes been?
His previous smashes, as he calls them.
Smashes, that's what I call them.
That's the break, by the way. Have been good.
Literally smashed the living shit out of them. And now, because he's turned the camera on, I've flapped it. It's been shit that time.
Ah, France. Bonjour, puppet. Ah.
What?
It looks like France.
It's day 3. It's our last day here. As you can tell, we all sound like shit.
No, wait, it's day 4.
Day 4. What did I say?
Day 3.
Day 3. Shit, we're here for 4 days, haven't we?
Yeah. 4 days.
I definitely knew it was the last day.
Day
Right,
4.
sorry, yeah, day 4. It's just listening to the mix of Get Me, which is literally the last song to do. And then literally we're done, so it'll be early finish again today. But how have you guys felt about everything? I think it's been great. I think it's exceeded all expectations.
Literally throughout this whole vlog, all I do is like fucking this hand stuff.
Oh, then I'm like, what do you think?
And I'm like,
I do that a bit, so that explains what I think.
Oh, can't reach the zoom. So, my hands aren't big enough.
Right, okay. Do you want fucking candy?
Martin, what is that? Oh, is that a sock?
Where? No, if you come and look over here.
I thought it was a wipe.
Come and look over here, you'll see one mountain of socks. Well, it's not a mountain, but they're just everywhere.
It's pretty an impressive mountain.
Yeah.
Alright, well done, mate. You didn't break the fucking door this time. Fucking hell. Was that first morning, was it? Yeah. It's the second day, yeah. Fucking broke the fucking door.
get a picture.
Sounds good that.
Yeah.
Filth.
We're completely finished up now. I'm just heading back up to the studio where the boys are. There's a lot of doors. But yeah, all the tracks are done. They've all been like down mixed. They've got to be mastered and stuff, but we get kind of the raw mixes so we can sort of music video and that sort of stuff out. But yeah, we're heading up now. We're just chilling, kind of waiting for our ride home. And yeah, it's been good. It's been real good. It's quite a cool place here. Don't have anything like this back home. It's all fucking Costas and stuff like that.
This is Flair actually being healthy for once.
Yeah, apart from the nachos.
Yeah, but it's all organic nacho.
Organic crisps.
Organic crisps. Mate, you can get organic crisps. Oh, look how that landed. That just flicked, but look how it landed.
Oh.
Got you. Gotcha.
Proper healthy stuff.
£6.90 in total.
This is the pretty angle, I promise.
That's the one.
That's the one. What are you getting, Martin? You gonna get anything?
I don't know, mate. I don't know what to get from here.
Not feeling organic. What did you go for, Will?
I'm getting chili, nachos, and I'm getting peanut power smoothie.
Peanut power.
Banana, peanut butter,
Mate,
honey.
I can see mine brewing, that looks good.
See what brewing?
Food better, I'm going to get it close. It's somewhere in here.
Wait, somewhere in here.
Get your thing, you're ruining my focus. Oh, I'd fair doubt, those are banana, that looks filthy.
She proper dipped it. That was the spiciest
Oh, do it again.
Go on, dip it in, please. Slip it in.
Martin's on his way home now. Willem's waiting for his goodbye kiss.
Oh yeah. Wait for my goodbye suck.
He's just warming up there, just circling you like prey.
Alright, well, it's been probably one of the worst experiences of my life.
Never again.
No, never again. Never again.
Never
so
again.
from now on, I'm out of the band. So next time you have a vlog like this, there'll be a different drummer.
Yeah.
Agreed. Anyway,
Absolutely covered in
Yeah,
blood.
you are.
Yeah.
You're covered in pug.
love that pub too much.
Alright, you know. Guess I'll see you later then, bro.
Alright, see you in a bit.
Well done. Well done.
Cheers. Go on then,
Nailed
bring
it
it in. It's on camera.
Right, have a safe trip home, mate.
See ya.
Yeah, have a safe journey, bro. See you later, man. See you later, Sean. Take care, buddy.
Right, we're completely done now. We've said our goodbyes. We've literally got all the down mixes, and we've got them to do as we will for the music video and stuff until we get the actual proper masters back. But yeah, it's been a fucking really, really good weekend. And we've been here Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and now it's like Monday afternoon.
Early Monday afternoon. Honestly, it's like it's weird because like we absolutely smashed through the recordings, and so each day we got to finish slightly early. You'll have seen it all in the vlog anyway and stuff. But like, it does not feel like we've been here 4 days at all.
No.
It's gone so quick. It's a shame because I think we've all genuinely like, just really enjoyed it.
Yeah, so it just feels weird going now, but
It does.
it's been a real good experience, and hopefully we've got hopefully we fucking know.
Yeah.
We've got 3 really fucking good solid recordings from it.
Definitely, 100%.
So
And I'm sure we'll be back here soon at some point. And obviously, by the time that you're probably seeing this as well, you'll have known that we are signed to SoundHub Records. So we are on their roster. You know, we'll be dealing with them. You'll be seeing them again soon and everything. And
yeah,
hopefully soon,
yeah.
because they're such sound guys. Loved working with them.
Yeah, it was really good. But anyway, we're off for a bevy. We're going to sign it off here. We'll
Yeah.
see you guys soon.
See you later, guys.
Bye.